Hey signers, are you ready to learn the Pledge of Allegiance? In this video, I am going to teach you vocabulary so you have a better understanding for what the ASL signs are meaning in the pledge. Then I will show you how to sign the pledge. So let's learn how to sign the Pledge of Allegiance. Before we begin, you might have seen different variations of the pledge in sign language. Now think about every time we hear the national anthem sung at sporting events. It varies because the singer has their own interpretation of the song, but they still follow the melody of the song. This is the same for signing. You will see variations because of signers' interpretation, but they all still carry the same meaning. I or me. You're just pointing with your index finger towards yourself. I or me. Promise or pledge. It's an index finger to your mouth coming down like you are sealing that promise or pledge. Promise or pledge. Support. Support. Your dominant hand is pushing up your non-dominant in support. Support. Flag. Flag. This is the ground, and here's the pole, and this is the flag itself, waving in the wind. Flag. United States. United States. It is a U and an S circling, representing U.S., United States. United States. America. America. You have this 5 hand with your fingers linked together and moving it around. There are different reasons why this could be the sign. For America is a melting pot of all different religions, nationalities, and backgrounds, or representing a log cabin back when America was established. And this sign can also be like the stripes in the flag and the flag waving. America. Government. Government. Your index finger is twisting in towards your forehead. Government. Represent or to show or example. Your index finger is pointing to an example. Represent, example, or to show. Unified or connected together. Your feeler finger and thumb connect together like linking in a chain, and it's moving in a circle. Unified or linked together. Nation. Nation. Your non-dominant hand is a fist with your dominant hand as an in, twisting and coming down on your non-dominant hand. Nation. Honor. Honor. You have H hands right in front of your head, moving upwards, showing honoring something. Honor. God. God. You're doing a flat hand coming from up above to down. God. Not, don't, or doesn't. Your thumb is coming out from the bottom of your chin. Not, don't, or doesn't. Divide. Divide. Your hands are making a slight X and then pulling apart like you're dividing something or separating it. Divide. Liberty. Liberty. It's L hands across your body coming out forward. Liberty. Equality. Equality. You have this B-shaped hand bent down and moving in towards each other and going around. Everybody is equal to each other. Equality. All or all. This is A-L-L or all your dominant hand twisting around to your non-dominant. All or all. Now that you've learned the signs, I'm going to show you my interpretation by using these signs and putting them in the Pledge of Allegiance. I, then the sign promise to support the flag, the United States, America. The government represents a unified nation honoring God, not divided, liberty, equality for all. Thank you for joining me in learning how to sign the Pledge of Allegiance. Be sure to like, subscribe, and get notified so you don't miss any future videos. Until next time, keep learning how to sign.